Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how to swap the battery of a 2020 Ford key fob. And this is it right here. If you have this one, they had these in many different cars. This is from our Ford Explorer, and as I said, it's a 2020 year model. And this is what the front looks. This is what the rear looks, and I think you have the same one as well if you have a link on. What you do first is you push this, you press this little button here, and you pull the key out. Right here, that's your key. Pull that out, and then you flip it around. And on this side here, you pry it open. See that? How the lid on top opens? And you see that in the camera? Okay, now you have to wiggle your key inside there. Let me do that. There we go. And you pop it open like this. Okay, that's gross. Pretty dirty in there. Blow it clean. And there's your battery. This battery here needs to be replaced because the car says that the battery is low. So inside the vehicle you get a message that says that the key fob battery is low. Now, to get it out there, you need a little tool like this screwdriver here. And then you just go in on this side and you pry it. See how that pops out? Okay. Now this is the old battery here. Put that aside. And I got a new one here. And it's in a CR2450. CR2450. And I got an Energizer battery here that I bought at the store. The old one was a Panasonic, but it was also a CR2450 3-volt battery. Okay, pretty easy to put that in. I'll put it this side in first. Okay, push it. And there we go. The battery is in. Okay, now put this little lid. See the front has a little lip there. Put that in first. So it's flush, okay, and you push it down. There you go. Push it down. And take your key and stick it back in. Okay, and that's it. And if I double lock, we should hear the car honk. There we go. See, it works. Unlock it. I can hear it lock in the garage just next door. Alright, that's how you change the battery of a 2020 Ford key fob. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you enjoyed this content, and if you want to have more content, or some content about these cars here, the Mercedes back in the corner, or the Shelby GT350 right here, please subscribe to my channel. Please do that. Please give me a like. Please give me a thumbs up. It's late at night, so I wish you a good night. I hope you enjoyed the content. Have a good day.